once you install an Automower, one of the things you want to do in areas like this that the ground's real soft, you can step on it like this here, level it out where the zero turn used to actually tear it up. So if you look here, you can see the tracks where the zero turn used to be right here. You look at my frame of view, and so it left these ruts. What I did was I just stepped on them and flattened them out, since we've had a nice little rain here for a while, and that will make it level without the mower getting caught up on it. So something to think about when you install an Automower. So I hope that tip helps, because I'm still doing the same thing here. You can see, watch the extra soil move in my footprint here. If you look, you'll see the soil actually moves. So this used to be really uneven. Still a few other areas just due to the weight of my own body, but it's better than 1,500 pound zero turn running on this thing here versus 30 pounds or so. So you can see here we leveled it all out. So there you go, here's your tip.